Moving on to the next question in the series of GATE 2024 solutions from subject General Aptitude. Question number 8, 2 marks, multiple choice and MCQ type. The master question of GATE 2024 from the subject General Aptitude is as follows. It is based on data interpretation basically. This is given the question to chart below shows the data of the number of cars bought by millennials and Gen X people. Millennials and Gen X people. 2 marks. MCQ type. In a country from the year 2010 to 2020, as well as the yearly fuel consumption of the country in million liters. Chart is given as something like this. Please excuse me for any mistakes and I try to draw it as good as I can. May not be accurate. I'm trying. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 50, 90, 100. Here we have 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, 80,000, 90,000 and 1 lakh. Okay. On the left side we have fuel consumption in million liters, and on the right we have number of people buying cars. The data is given for 3 years since I will give data 2010, 2015 and 2020. Something like 40, 30, 25. And 60. And fuel consumption given as 40, 60 and 90. The labels or legends are given as this is for Gen X, this is for millennials, this is fuel consumption. It is given as something like this, and based on the data, options are given as options options are lengthy, so it will take some time to write. Please bear with me this. Percentage increase in fuel consumption from 2010 to 15 is more than the percentage increase in fuel consumption from 15 to 20. Option B is the increase in the number of millennial car buyers from 2015 to 20 is less than the decrease in the number of Gen X car buyers from 2010 to 15. Option C, the increase in the number of millennial car buyers from 2010 to 15 is more than the decrease in the number of Gen X car buyers from 2010 to 15, and D, last but not the least, the decrease in the number of Gen X car buyers from 2015 to 20 is more than the increase in the number of millennial car buyers from 2010 to 15. So this is the basic question basically. Based on this chart, number of people buying cars, fuel consumption, 4 options are given, and we need to which of the following options is true, of course. Which of following is true. Based on this chart, which of the following options are true? We need to find it. So let's evaluate or check the options one by one. Solution for this question. Okay. Let's check the statements one by one. Data given the statements. First statement is percentage increase in the number of in the fuel consumption from 10 to 15. From 10 to 15, the fuel consumption increases from 40 to 60. Around 10 to 15, and from 60 to 90 in 2020. So the percentage increase in fuel consumption from 2010 to 15 is what? 60 minus 40 upon 40 to 100, that is 50%. And from fuel increase, percentage increase in fuel consumption from 2015 to 20 is what? 60 to 90. So 90 minus 60 upon 60 into 100. So it's again 50%. So 50% is it more than 50%? 50% is equal to 50%. So option A is not correct. Data. It is equal to. Right. So this is incorrect. Let's check the other options. The increasing number of millennial carvers from 15 to 20. The number of millennial carvers from 15 to 20 is what? 45 to 60. So increases 60 minus 45, that is 15. It increases 15. Percentage increases 50% here, almost 50% here. Increases 15. And the decreasing number of Gen X buyers from 10 to 15. Gen X buyers from 10 to 15. Gen X is red. So 40 to 30. So decrease is 40 minus 30, that is 10. So is 15 less than 10? No. Increase is 10. 15 is not less than 10. So this is also incorrect. Correct would be greater than or more than. More than. So this is also incorrect. Let's check option C. Increasing number of millennial carvers from 10 to 15. Number of millennial carvers. Millennial is green. 10 to 15. So increase is what? It's 20 to 45. And 10 to 15. So increase is what? 45 minus 20, that is 25. And the decrease in number of Gen X buyers is 10 to 15. Gen X buyers decrease is already calculated, it is 40 to 30. So decrease is 10. So 25 is greater than 10. This is 25. And this is 10. Increasing number of buyers more than decreasing number. So 25 is the increase and the decrease is 10. So is 25 greater than 10? Yes. So it's correct. As 25 is greater than 10. Increasing number of millennial carvers from 10 to 15, plus 25 is greater than more than the decreasing number of Gen X carvers from 10 to 15, that is 10. Let's take the last option also. The decreasing number of Gen X carvers from 15 to 20. Decreasing number of Gen X carvers. Gen X is red, so it decreases from 30 to 25. So 30 to 25. 15 to 20. So decrease is what? 30 minus 25, that is 5. Is it more than the increasing number of millennial carvers? Millennial carvers increasing from 10 to 15 is 20 to 40. As I have already calculated here, it's 25. So is 5 more than 25? No. This is 5. 30 to 25, 5 decrease, and increase in number of millennial carvers from 10 to 15 is 25. So this is 25. So is 5 less than greater than 25? No. Of course not. So the correct here would be is less than. And hence this option D is data given option D statement is also incorrect. So the correct answer for this data interpretation question is option C, which is the increasing number of millennial carvers from 10 to 15, that is 25. 20 to 45 is more than the decreasing number of Gen X carvers from 10 to 15, which is 40 to 30, that is 10. 25 is greater than 10. So the correct statement is option C. And I have proved the other statements wrong as well with explanation. Hope the explanation given along the steps, solution steps are clear. It is actually quite simple determinant question. I explained it in great detail. If you still have any doubts or queries, please feel free to ask me comments. And that's all for this question, solution to this question.